Ever feel like you're juggling a million different tools just to keep your business running? Social media, email marketing, CRM, analytics, it's exhausting, right? You're spending more time switching between platforms than actually, growing your business. I've been there. We've all been there. It's a chaotic mess, and frankly, it's inefficient. What if there was a single platform that could bring all those essential tools together? A central hub that streamlines your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts? Well, that's where HubSpot comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the question, what is HubSpot used for? And trust me, the answer is more comprehensive than you might think. HubSpot isn't just one thing. It's a powerful suite of tools designed to help businesses of all sizes attract, engage, and delight their customers. It's about creating a seamless, integrated experience from the first touchpoint to long-term loyalty. Let's break it down. At its core, HubSpot is a CRM, a customer relationship management system. Think of it as the central nervous system of your business, housing all your customer data in one organized place. No more scattered spreadsheets or lost contact information. With HubSpot CRM, you can track every interaction a prospect or customer has with your company, from website visits and email opens to sales calls and support tickets. This detailed view of your customer journey allows you to personalize your communication, nurture leads effectively, and ultimately, close more deals. But HubSpot is so much more than just a CRM. It's a comprehensive platform that encompasses a wide range of functionalities. Let's explore some of the key areas. Marketing Hub. This is where the magic happens for marketers. The Marketing Hub is packed with tools to help you attract the right audience, convert them into leads, and nurture them into loyal customers. Think of it as your all-in-one marketing command center. One of the cornerstones of the Marketing Hub is its content management system, or CMS. This allows you to easily create and manage your website, blog, and landing pages, all optimized for search engines and mobile devices. No coding skills required. You can build beautiful, responsive websites that attract visitors and generate leads. Speaking of leads, the Marketing Hub also offers powerful lead generation tools. You can create forms, pop-ups, and calls to action to capture visitor information and turn them into qualified leads. And once you have those leads, you can use HubSpot's email marketing automation to nurture them with personalized emails, guiding them through the sales funnel. Imagine setting up automated email sequences that deliver the right message at the right time without you having to lift a finger. That's the power of HubSpot's automation. Beyond email, the Marketing Hub also includes tools for social media management, allowing you to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze your social media performance. It also offers SEO tools to help you optimize your content for search engines and improve your organic visibility. And, of course, there's robust analytics to track your marketing performance and measure your ROI. Sales Hub. Now, let's talk about sales. The Sales Hub is designed to empower your sales team and streamline the sales process. It integrates seamlessly with the CRM, giving your sales reps access to all the information they need about a prospect or customer. The Sales Hub offers tools like deal tracking, allowing you to visualize your sales pipeline and manage your deals effectively. You can track the progress of each deal, identify potential roadblocks, and forecast your sales revenue. It also includes tools for sales automation, such as automated email sequences and task reminders, helping your sales team stay organized and focused. One of the most valuable features of the Sales Hub is its meeting scheduling tool. This allows prospects to easily book meetings with your sales reps, eliminating the back-and-forth emails and scheduling headaches. It integrates directly with your calendar, making scheduling a breeze. Service Hub. Customer service is crucial for any business, and HubSpot's Service Hub is designed to help you provide exceptional customer support. It includes tools like a help desk, allowing you to manage customer inquiries and support tickets efficiently. You can create a knowledge base to empower customers to find answers to their questions themselves, reducing the burden on your support team. The Service Hub also offers tools for customer feedback, allowing you to collect surveys and analyze customer sentiment. This valuable feedback can help you identify areas for improvement and enhance the customer experience. And just like the Marketing Hub and Sales Hub, the Service Hub integrates seamlessly with the CRM, giving your support team access to all the information they need about a customer. CMS Hub. We touched on the CMS within the Marketing Hub, but HubSpot also offers a standalone CMS Hub for businesses that need a more robust content management solution. This includes advanced features for website design, development, and management. Operations Hub. This hub is all about connecting your apps and automating your processes. It helps you sync data between HubSpot and other business tools, streamlining your operations and improving efficiency. HubSpot's growth platform. The beauty of HubSpot is that all these hubs work together seamlessly. They're integrated on a single platform, sharing data and providing a unified view of your customer journey. This allows you to create a cohesive experience for your customers, from the moment they discover your brand to long after they become a customer. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is HubSpot right for my business? The answer is, it depends. HubSpot offers different tiers of pricing for each hub, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, there's likely a HubSpot plan that fits your needs and budget. One of the key advantages of HubSpot is its scalability. As your business grows, you can easily upgrade to more advanced features and functionality. You don't have to switch platforms as your needs evolve. HubSpot grows with you. Another advantage is HubSpot's focus on inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is a methodology that focuses on attracting customers by creating valuable content and experiences. HubSpot is built around this philosophy, providing the tools and resources you need to implement an effective inbound marketing strategy. So, to recap, what is HubSpot used for? It's used for attracting visitors, converting leads, nurturing prospects, closing deals, and delighting customers. It's a comprehensive platform that brings together marketing, sales, and customer service tools into a single unified system. It's about creating a seamless, personalized experience for your customers and growing your business efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.